continue with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon, and topic Shechinah departs. The sin of Lashon Hara causes Shechinah, divine presence, to remove itself from our midst. As Medrash Dvarim Rabbah 5:10 states, Rav Mona said, "Whoever speaks Lashon Hara causes Shechinah to ascend from this world." As David said, "My son is among lions. I lie with men who are aflame, people whose teeth are spears and arrows, and whose tongue is sharp sword. Be exalted above the heavens, O God, above all of the earth, and your glory." It's Tehillim 57:5-6. Okay, so what does it mean? David's intent was, "Master of the universe, why is your presence manifested in this world when such as sinners are present? Remove it from your to your heavenly abode." So that's very, very sad. Right? So even David was very zealous for Hashem's honor, and he said, "Hashem, I'm very sorry, but that's what people do. They speak Lashon Hara, so maybe you should go up. Your Shechinah, take your Shechinah up. It's very embarrassing." I would say maybe example would be like we have some embarrassing episodes happening in our house, and there is a neighbor. He tried to come in, said, "No, not that time. Go back. Please come another time." Regarding so it says regarding the gossiper. Regarding the gossiper, thus Hashem says, "He and I cannot dwell together in this world." It says in Talmud Arichin 15b. So Hashem said, "He and I cannot." Can you imagine how Hashem hates these people? And even after knowing that, some people say no, they would feel like insulted if I just turn out and leave. But when Shechinah leaves, right, you're not insulted. How about that? So think about Shechinah first. Furthermore, the second destruction occurred because of the gossipers who caused the sinas chinam, baseless hatred, to reign among the people. Yom 9b. Okay, so baseless hatred, of course, it's all revolved around speaking Lashon Hara, right? That's people usually start with speaking. Sometimes it turns into action, sometimes not, but still it hurts. One who causes strife among friends is despicable in the eyes of Hashem, and his sin is too great to bear, especially with friends. Okay, so he's sometimes people compete for attention. People compete for popularity, even among the friends. I mean, you've been friends for 20 years, so you want him to be more friendly with you than with other guy. It's like people behave like children. King Shlomo said, 6 things are hated by Hashem. The 7th is despised by him. So 6 things are hated by Hashem, and 7th is despised by him. Haughty eyes, a tongue of falsehood, hands which shed innocent blood, and the one who incites quarrels among the brothers. So that's the 7th one. Right? The one who incites quarrels among the brothers. It's Mishle 6:16 through 19. Okay. Our sages state that the 7th sin is worst of all. Okay. Meaning the one who incites the quarrels. So commentary. Sefer Torah explained that evil talk can ultimately lead to murder and the other heinous sins. Thus, it is potentially the worst sin of all. Very interesting. So, I mean, that's how it starts with quarrel among brothers, especially when the brothers, when it's among strangers. The way I understand, it's not that bad. So it's strange from somebody from the strange nation, this and that. Like that's one thing. But when he's your brother, brother is a Jew, or brother like literal from your family, that hurts the most. Who is very close to you. Okay, we stop here.